We now return to Malcolm XXY.
We didn't land on Plymouth Rock.
Yeah!
Plymouth Rock gave us both sets of genitals.
Yeah!
What? We now return to Jackass.
Hello, my name's Johnny Knoxville, and I'm going to take a shotgun blast to the face. Okay, ready?
We now return to The Gay Bachelor.
Oh, they're all gross. I'm keeping the roses.
We now return to nature with a guy named Terry in it.
The cheetahs will feed through the night. While the strongest made the kill, the oldest will eat first. And there's Terry.
We now return to
Damn, Nature, you scary!
on BET.
Damn, that motherfucker run fast. You see that shit? That thing come by my house, I kill it.
Damn, Nature, you scary!
That little rat-looking thing just got ate. Damn, Nature, you scary.
We now return to Bottom Chef.
Daniel L., please pack your fudge and go.
Fine.
We now return to Jesse Eisenberg and Emma Stone in Opposite Eye Sizes.
Sorry, guys. All I have left are one pair of extra large contact lenses and one pair of extra small.
We'll be... We now return to an early draft of A Streetcar Named Desire.
Deb! Deb!
We now return to Planet Earth with its original narrator who was let go.
The Earth's oceans are very, vast, and, a lot of fish, yeah. A couple of whales, some flora and fauna, both down there in the, uncharted depths. Wow, what are those, sharks? We've, probably got a commercial break coming up. Oh, really? 4 hours, no commercials? Wow, is that right? Some penguins over there.
We now return to Captain Central America.
It worked!
Gracias. What are my powers?
Oh yeah, it's weird. You're like really good at painting my living room. Up and get it done by Saturday. We're having a party.
Coming this fall from the producers of Gone Baby Gone. I promise you, we are going to find your daughter.
Okay, but, you know, do what you can. But seriously, don't, kill yourself.
Oh, and if you do find her, honk this horn a couple times. It's the only way to get her to stop biting you.
But again, no rush.
The History Channel presents Where in World War II is Waldo?
Ngayong May, magbabalik na siya para magbigay saya.
Galing, ikaw pala talaga!
Ang ating best friend from the future.
Siguro naman na walang silbing gaya mo, may mahahanap na makakasama sa buhay.
Makakabalik na sa makukulit at walang adventures.
Tara na, bilisan mo!
Doraemon! Simula May 27, 5 p.m. sa Yay!
We now return to Turner Classic Movies' presentation of John Wayne's final Western.
Big Bill, 2 men got off the 240 from Amarillo.
Saddle my horse. John Wayne only ate beef and coffee for every meal, so the director had to shoot around the fact that he was on the toilet all the time.
Reach for the sky, pilgrims.
Big Bill Doyle! That's right, and I just made a Big Bill coil.
We now return to Downton Syndrome.
Well, if I must accept your proposal in order to break the entail and save my family's estate, then yes, I will marry you.
Yay!
We now return to 11 angry men and 1 developmentally disabled man.
Okay, the vote is 11 for guilty and 1 for Kitty. All right, let's keep talking it out.
We now return to The Love Boat with Somali pirates.
I am the captain now.
Well, okay, but that means you're in charge of getting Mr. Devlin to admit that after 30 years, he still loves Mrs. Devlin very much.
That is not the captain's responsibility.
Well, maybe not where you come from, but here on the Love Boat.
Now, who is Mr. Devlin? Try skinny dipping with her like when you were kids.
We now return to the dyslexic baseball wrap-up.
And the Unark Yankees beaten the Altamore Boreals 9-2 here at Yamden Cards.
The Boreals now lace a Fong Toad Rip where they'll face the Sedrocks, the Revel Days, and the Jublaze.
E!
That's a 3, honey. Turn it around.
This!
31.
Spooky Ghost Mouth!
That's a 0.
Snowman!
8.
2 sailboats!
44.
17!
No, that's... Oh, yes, that is 17. She's good at 17.
Tom, tonight the stars are out for a special sneak preview of a straight-to-DVD feature that will soon be in the $3.99 bin at your local car wash. Here comes Mayor Adam West himself. Mr. West, do you have any words for our viewers?
Box, toaster, aluminum, maple syrup. No, I take that one back. I'm gonna hold on to that.
We now return to VH1's Behind the Music.
It must have been around 1979 when animals started snorting crushed-up pieces of felt. Got pretty ugly.
Me had big problem before me found God. He threw me down and he said, I hope your puppeteer has big hands because I'm not using lube. Me no remember that, but me believe it happened.
We now return to Sesame Street.
We now return to Britain's most popular game show, Wheel of Politeness! Do go ahead, then.
Oh, no, you first.
Wouldn't dream of it.
Too kind, really, I insist.
Wouldn't be proper of me.
I appreciate your courtesy.
Likewise.
Well, we're all out of time. Join us same time tomorrow if it's not entirely inconvenient for you. If so, of course, we do understand, and we do apologize in advance. This has all been an imposition. I'm so dreadfully sorry.
Sorry, everyone.
We now return to Rational Geographic.
Upon realizing a trip to Africa would be smelly and gross, our crew decided to stay in the office.
Laging palpak, laging sablay.
Napakababa ng nakuha mong score!
Alam ko yun, kaya magsisikap ako maging magaling.
Yan, si Nobita.
Laging wala sa sarili ko na magawang tama.
Kahit hindi kagalingan,
Maasahan ka, iniisip mo ang kapakanan ng iba.
lagi namang nariyan pagdating sa kaibigan.
Ang buhay dapat ine-enjoy mo lang.
Sasamahan ka pa sa bawat kulitan with Doraemon. Simula May 27, 5 p.m. sa Yay!
Dieses Jahr zu Weihnachten der Sternenblizzard. Mit moderner Technologie tauchen Sie Ihr Zuhause in einen Blizzard aus Lichtern. Das ist viel leichter als Weihnachtsbeleuchtung zu verkabeln.
Ich lasse mein ganzes Haus für ein paar Pennies am Tag erstrahlen.
Ich habe reingeguckt und jetzt bin ich blind.
Schatz, das Haus sieht fantastisch aus.
Wer ist da?
Hey Frank, kannst du das abschalten? Meine Katze flippt total aus.
Wer ist das jetzt? Ich erkenne noch keine Stimmen. Ich bin neublind. Sternenblizzard. Frohe Weihnachten und gucken Sie nicht direkt rein.